Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a review on, this is a Kmart brand face mask. So this is the OXX brand. This is what it looks like. So actually, the packaging looked like this, but I ruined it because I wanted to do a review on this after I used it. This is the cucumber one, which is for hydrating. I've been having quite a few skin issues, which you may or may not have seen in previous videos, but a lot of dry skin on my chin. So as soon as I saw this, I thought this is exactly what I needed. Now, I don't know, it just says on the packaging that this is a face mask capsule, but for some reason, I thought it was a sheet mask. So when I opened it, and it was literally just a container full of liquid, I was a little confused, to be honest. So basically, as the directions say, what you do, you basically rinse your face, pat dry, gently massage mask into your face, avoid the lip and eye area, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. I just wanted to, give my experience on my thoughts on this with very dry skin. This didn't work at all. Like, I thought this was actually a little bit of a waste of time. It was like a gel, like a thick, almost hair gel consistency. It smelled beautiful. So the cucumber one smells amazing, if, just so you know. But it did nothing. It actually just felt like it didn't seep into my skin at all. I left it on for about 20 minutes. So I always leave masks on longer than suggested. For $3, I thought it was worth a try, but maybe it will work for you guys, maybe not, but I would probably not buy this particular one again. If I was going to buy one, I think sheet masks are better. I just think they seep into the skin. Yeah, these little capsules are probably not the best, in my opinion. I mean, if they work for you, that's amazing, and lucky you, because they are quite cheap. But yeah, just for me and my very, very dry skin, like particularly the patch on my chin, which was just extremely dry, flaking, all of that, it really did nothing. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I know these are very short skincare videos, but there's not a lot to say. I guess what I feel like I am saying might be important to someone, so this is why I wanted to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.